In today's video, I will walk you through how to find crypto gems using CoinMarketCap. To start finding potential crypto gems on CoinMarketCap, begin by using the custom screener to filter for lower market cap projects. Go to the CoinMarketCap homepage and locate the main cryptocurrency table. Click the Filters button above the table, then select Add Filter. Apply the market cap filter and set a custom range between $10 million and $100 million. This will narrow the results to smaller market cap cryptocurrencies. Next, set the 24-hour volume filter. Choose a minimum volume range between $2 million and $5 million or higher. This helps identify coins with active trading activity. After that, adjust the circulating supply filter. Select projects where more than 60% of the total supply is already circulating. Once the filters are applied, review the list of cryptocurrencies that match your selected criteria. Next, use the Categories section to find projects connected to current market trends. Click the Categories tab above the main cryptocurrency table. Sort the category list by 24-hour percentage change or 7-day percentage change to find the strongest performing sectors. Open a category with strong performance and review the listed cryptocurrencies. Scroll past the largest market cap projects and check the lower-ranked mid-cap and small-cap tokens within that category. These lower-ranked projects can be reviewed as potential opportunities within the same ecosystem. To find earlier-stage projects, use DEX Scan from the top navigation menu. Click DEX Scan to access on-chain market information. Within DEX Scan, filter the results by trending pairs or highest volume. Adjust the time range to view activity from the last 1 to 6 hours. Open a token page in DEX Scan and review the available security check information. Check the displayed honeypot tests, minting permissions, and contract details. Next, review the recently added section on CoinMarketCap. Hover over the Cryptocurrencies tab and select Recently Added. Review the new listings and focus on the volume and blockchain columns. Check tokens listed on established networks and review whether their 24-hour volume continues increasing over several days while the price remains stable. After identifying a potential crypto gem, review the token information before making a decision. Open the Holders tab and check the token distribution. Review the percentage of supply held by the top wallets. Check for large locked smart contracts and burned or dead addresses. Then open the Markets tab and verify where the token is traded. Review the available exchanges and check the liquidity scores. Finally, use the sidebar links on the cryptocurrency page to review the project's development and community information. Open the GitHub link to check developer activity, and review the official X or Twitter and Discord links to check community activity. By using the filters, categories, DEX Scan, recently added section, and token review tools on CoinMarketCap, you can organize your search process and evaluate potential crypto gems using the available data. Thank you for watching.